Just sit here in front of you and we'll
Yeah.
do it unamplified
Let's do it.
because this room can carry us, right?
Yeah,
Are you gonna be down with it?
yeah, let's do it.
I'm gonna step away from the microphone, but I'm the same old guy. I'm gonna sit here.
Yeah,
This is not planned, by the way. Okay?
we'll bust the tables, yes.
I'm just gonna sing very casually.
All right.
Planned, and
Hey.
this is so staged. How are you?
I'm great. How
Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. Oh yeah, you can still hear us, right?
Yeah.
Just lean into the moment, oh guys. Let's see it. You know what? I'm gonna use the pick for this. Here we go. And just sing wherever you feel there's something missing. Because I don't even know what's what with this song. I've sung it so many times alone, but it's actually a duet, and we're gonna take it.
Yeah.
We're reclaiming the duet.
All right.
The moment has come to face the truth. I'm wide awake, and so are you. Do you have a clue what this
I
is?
don't know.
Are you everything that I
Is
made?
that so?
We'll just have to wait and see.
Wait and see
If things go right,
we're meant to be. The surface is gone. We've scratched it off. Made some plans. I let them go. Do you have the slightest
No, I
idea
don't.
how the world is bright?
Oh,
when
is that
you're
so?
near? Wait a while and wait and see.
Wait and see
if things go right. We're meant to be. Oh, what a world this life would be. Forget all your technicolor dreams. Forget Mother Nature. This is how it's meant to be.
The time is here for being straight. It's not too early, it's never too late. People say I should watch my
They
day.
don't know.
Think how you spend all your
I'll
day.
say so.
They'll just have to wait and see.
Wait and see
If things go right, they'll have to agree.
Oh, what a world this life would be. Forget all your technicolor dreams. Forget Mother Nature. This is how it's meant to be.
What happens here? Yeah, exactly.
Just swing it.
That's it.
Depends.
Don't hurt your fingers though.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, down, down, ba-do-do, down, ba-do-do, down, ba-do-do-do.
Do you have the slightest idea
I don't.
why the world is bright when you're
I'll
here?
say so.
Stay a while and wait and see.
Wait and see
If things go right, we're meant to be. Sing along.
Oh, what a world this life would be. Forget all your technicolor dreams. Forget Mother Nature. This is how it's meant to be.
One more time. No.
Forget Mother Nature. This is how it's meant to be.
Last time.
Forget Mother Nature.
This is how it's meant to be.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful. That was great.
What's your last name?
Nathan.
Michaela Bateman.
All right.
Wow, that's great. That was better than what was in my. Yeah, much better. Well, that's our show. Thanks, guys.